All right, so we have our server set up now. Okay, so now we go over to our applications, or you simply click on Add Application. You select the server, and here you want to choose the application type. So let's go with a basic WordPress. We can name this tutorial, right? You select your project if you've set one up, and then you select which application stack you want. Okay, I just go with the recommended Lightning stack. You add your application. Skip for now. That's new, by the way. I never noticed it. All right, and now it's adding the application. And as it says here, it takes about 2 minutes. All right, so now we have the new application has been set up, so we can search for it here. How do you view the front end of your website? You go make sure that you are in Access Details, Application URL. Click on this here, and it'll take you to the front end of your website. All right, now how do you log into the back end? You simply go to WP-admin, but now you need a username and a password, right? Well, what it does, what Cloudways does, is it uses your account, like your user account's email address as the username. So you grab that, and you then copy the password. They auto-generate a password, and as you can see here, you can also change it. But we'll go with the password that they've generated. And there you go. You have access to the back end, and you can view the front end. All right, so in the next video, I'll show you how to install a theme, and then we'll just kind of keep on going through it every step of the way to launching your website.